In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Flashscore mobile app. So if you are experiencing issues with your app, maybe your app is crashing or it is too low, it can't open, or it takes a lot of time to open because it lags and you can't use it, then let me show you how you can fix this problem once and for all. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of methods you can use, and in the first method we are going to access the app info page. To do this, just go ahead and long press on your app and you should see app info option. If you tap on this, you'll be taken to this app info page where you can see the details of this app. In the first method, we want to clear the app data or cache data, and we have the clear data option here. So if I go to storage here, you can see under cache we have a lot of data stored. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go down below here and tap on clear data and then choose the second option, clear cache, and OK. And you can see the cache data together with some user data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your Flashscore app, and this should have solved your problem. However, should you still experience any challenge, then come back to Flashscore app info page again, and this time round again tap on clear data and choose the first option, clear all data, and OK. At this point, you'll need to go ahead and log in afresh into your app to start using it. However, should you still experience any challenge, then it means that your app maybe contains bugs or you are using an older version of Flashscore app. To solve this problem, you need to go ahead and find your app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if you have any update. Should you have an update, update it to the latest version and then open it to start using the latest version of Flashscore app. But should you still experience any challenge, maybe the app still crashes, it means your app might have a bug. And to solve this, go ahead and uninstall the app and then install it afresh. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues related to Flashscore and Sports News app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.